Did you know you can use a dishwasher to cook food? This salmon was flawlessly prepared using nothing but a dishwasher. It's incredibly easy to do. Just follow these easy steps. Place down a sheet of tin foil. Carefully place down the salmon. Coat in butter, salt, black pepper, garlic, lemon, and a sprig of rosemary. Wrap the salmon in the tin foil. Be sure to wrap it securely on all sides. Now place it into your empty dishwasher. Set your dishwasher on its hottest cycle. Simply close the dishwasher and press start. Sit back and wait for the dishwasher to run through its entire cycle. All done. You now have perfectly... Uh-oh, looks like it burst open. Let's try that again. Wrap it 2 times. Sit back and wait for the dishwasher to run through its entire cycle. You now have... Uh-oh, it burst again. Let's try it again. Wrap it 4 times. Wait for the dishwasher to run through its entire cycle. It burst again. Let's try it again. Wrap it 6 times. It burst again. Wrap it 8 times. It burst again. Wrap it 10 times. It burst again. Wrap it 12 times. Make absolute certain that it is completely sealed and airtight. It burst again. Make absolute certain that it is completely sealed and airtight. Wait for the dishwasher to run through its entire cycle. It's raw. Don't use a dishwasher to cook food. It doesn't work. Use an oven instead. Place in your fan-forced oven at 300. Don't use an oven to cook food. It doesn't work. Use a hot pan instead. The salmon is cooked to tender, mouth-watering perfection. Serve and enjoy.